Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called It Is Not Perfect by Anna Kang, illustrated by Christopher Weyant. Pat, 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 it's perfect. What? It is not perfect. No? Almost. It needs a flap. We can use these. Now is perfect. Yes, but the towers could be taller. Now it is perfect. Yay! Pat, pat, pat. What? It is not perfect. That wall is too small. Is it? It should be wider. Dig, dig, dig. Pat, pat, pat. Perfect. Well, except it needs more towers. It needs archers and windows and a gatehouse and stairs and a drawbridge. Moat! Plunk. Ploink. It is perfect! Smile. Splash. Click. Wow, all that work. What a shame. Too bad. Perfect. Truly. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!